Hello everyone, so this is our lesson for today about conversion of fraction, decimal, and percent, okay? And our objective is to convert decimal to percent, okay? So the first one is 0.5, which is the decimal. The first step is to move the decimal point 2 places going to the right. Now 0.5, we move the point going to the right 1 and 2. Okay, and then add 0. Okay, and then we eliminate the point. Then now we have 50. Then the next step is to add the percent sign. Therefore, 0.5 is equivalent to 50%. Next, we have another example, 0.25. Then we have 0.2. Okay, move 2 places going to the right, then we have 25%. Number 2, 0.75. Convert to percent, we have 0.75 from the point. Okay, move 2 places going to the right, then 1 and 2. So we have 75 and add percent sign. So 0.75 is equivalent to 75%. Next, number 3, 0.20. Then now we have 0. Okay, move the decimal point going to the right direction. So we have 1, 2 to decimal place. Then now we have 20. And add percent, we have 20%. So that is how to convert decimal to percent.